So today is an exciting day. I'm actually going to IKEA to start by getting the essentials for my new apartment, like bed sheets, utensils, organization stuff. And I really don't want to go all out because I'm only going to be here for a year. But I also want to make my first apartment feel like home. I don't want it to be just plain with no decoration or anything. So I'll take you guys along and show you what I end up getting. But yeah, let's go to IKEA. It's like a memory foam one. Me trying to decide. So now on to the kitchen stuff, and honestly I'm just realizing how much stuff I need, and the thing is I don't know what I'm gonna do with the stuff when I leave. I can't take it with me, so I just need the basics. So I think I'm gonna have to come back for another trip because yeah, I'm not gonna be able to take all that stuff with me, especially because I'm not driving with a car, so I have to go on the train and carry all that stuff. So this is the bed cover that I bought from IKEA, and then I found some cushions from another store. I can't remember the name. I think it's called Leroy something. And then I got this one as well. So as you guys can see, this is my favorite color. I love how it turned out. So I don't know if you guys have ever felt this, but me being on my own for the first time, I naturally felt anxious, and the anticipation of me being alone has just been catching up to me, overwhelm of emotions where I was feeling anxious and knowing that my mom's gonna leave next week. I don't know, it didn't feel like my home. I felt very uneasy feeling. And then I talked to my friend Muna, and she was telling me about these feelings are completely normal, and in order for you to feel like this is your home, you have to start doing things at your home that you love. For example, self-care and decorating and watching a show that you love. So I'm gonna try those tips and see if that helps, because honestly this is my first solo experience, and there's a lot of new feelings and discomfort that are gonna come with this. I did this because I have to learn how to be on my own and how to take care of myself and how to fill my own cup. So that's why I wanted to do this in the first place. So I just have to embrace those feelings, and I have to remind myself that these feelings are just temporary. It will get better. This place will feel like home. But I do have this tendency where if I have something in my head, I want it right now. For example, I want to make friends right now. I want to be fluent in Spanish right now. I want this place to feel like home right now. And I have to try to let go of this, because especially in Spain, everything is a lot more slow paced. So yeah, let me know if you guys have similar feelings, and what tips and advice do you have for me in order to overcome those anxieties. And just tell me about your experience as well, so I can have something to motivate me and make me feel better whenever I feel anxious again. So this is not everything I need. I still need a few more stuff. And it was such a hassle to bring all this stuff on the metro too. So I have this Oh, I don't have it here with me, but it's like this like trolley that I just take to the stores and I just put everything in. So it's been quite handy. Yeah, so we are gonna get started. So first of all, I got this like, you know, you put water in it so it can be cold. Some mugs, not too bad. Got like 3 of them. Then I have 2 bathrooms, so I got 2 toilet brushes. I got 2 trash cans of the same color. I got this like sweeper, which I use all the time in Edmonton. And it's so handy because you just put the water and the soap in here and you just spray it. And because I don't have carpet, so this one's a lot easier to use. A water boiler, a rice cooker. I really like this brand. They actually have quite affordable stuff. And they're really good quality. I think it's like specific to the store I went to. And I got a toaster. I got an iron. Let me show you guys. Got this iron. It was like 10 euros, actually pretty cheap. Ironing board. This was like 15 euros. And then I know you guys, I told you that the apartment that I got is not fully furnished. It did have a sofa and a bed and like a mattress and some like cupboards and stuff already done. But I'm so grossed out of sitting on that couch. I wish I could just get my own, but it's not worth it. So I found these like couch covers, which is gonna be a lot more hygienic and cleaner. So I was really excited that they have such a thing. So I think this was like 50 euros. It wasn't cheap. Cups, like glass cups. These were not too expensive. And I got some like cereal bowls, some plates. I just got 2 of each because it's just me and another guest. Some wooden utensils for the kitchen and things like that. And I got 2 large towels. The towels were actually expensive. It was like 15 euros per one. So it ended up being 281 euros. So in Canadian, I would estimate that to be like 400 maybe, yeah. So I think it's not too bad. I literally, when I was putting the stuff in the cart, I was like, this is gonna cost like 1,000 euros right now, which is like over $1,500. But yeah, so it looked like a lot of stuff in the cart. Yeah, I'm excited to use them. It's finally gonna make my place feel more like home. And I'm gonna be using these stuff like almost every day. So it's definitely worth it. So look what I have so far. Finally got a rug. I'm gonna show you guys once I open it, but it's so cute. Guys, let me show you what we're working with so far. So I did get the carpet today. Bismillah, let's open this. I don't know if I'm gonna put this here or at the main entrance, but I just love this carpet or rug. I think it was 60 euros, so $100. Oh God, it feels a lot more homey now. Okay. So, okay, cute. It's perfect size. I don't know if you guys can see. Here, let me put this down. So this is the throw. It's actually supposed to be a blanket. But I'm just gonna like throw it. I don't know, does that look ugly? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. It's supposed to be like a blanket, so it's actually pretty thick. But I don't know how I should make it, how I should put it. Maybe like, I know it's supposed to come like diagonal. So like something like this. I don't know, bro, it looks so ugly. But like this looks so ugly right now. I don't know. I feel like I need cushions. Let me try some cushions. I just don't know how this should go. And this like stupid thing is making it look so ugly right now. But I don't think I have a choice. I like the base being neutral, but then adding color to it just makes it a lot more fun. So let me know what you guys think of how everything turned out. Honestly, I'm very happy with it. And like I said, like I wasn't gonna overdo it. I'm just gonna make it look nice, but not overdo it, because honestly, I could go all out if I wanted to, because decorating is just so fun and there's so many nice things and so many different ways I can decorate things, but I'm trying to be more responsible financially and like not splurge on something that's not going to be long term for me. If I find something that's like 100% worth it, then yes, I'll definitely buy that. Let's go to my first paperwork appointment, and that's going to be involving the padron. The padron is pretty much the city registration, so anytime you're staying in the city for more than 6 months and you have a rental, then you have to register your apartment and that you're living there with the city. So that's where I'm going to be going today, so I'll take you guys with me. So I have my paperwork here with me, and this is the first week. It's actually starting to get chilly. It's been t-shirt weather throughout the past 2 weeks, but now I'm out with a light sweater. I think it's gonna start raining this week, which I'm not excited for, but better than Canadian winters. And this is my daily walk to go to the center usually, and I love coming here. Guys, I literally was trying to film and all my paperwork just flew away with the wind. Oh my god, that would have ended so badly, but thankfully someone helped me collect them. Like literally all the paperwork, like it just flew in different directions and I was about to get on the road. Oh, okay. Anyways, I just have a few minutes and then I'm gonna go in. So it's finally starting to get cold here in Granada, so that means the winter coats are out. And today was the first time that I truly felt like walking outside. My hands were freezing, my ears were hurting, so now I have to start bundling up whenever I go out. But here's my fit for today. So my mom's actually leaving tomorrow and I'm taking her to Barcelona. We're gonna be staying one night. So just as like a goodbye, we're going out for dinner tonight. So my hair has really gotten long lately and it's been super dry. Like look how dead it looks from the ends. So I've been looking for a hairstylist to go to. I'm just gonna take a risk and try it out and hopefully it turns out good. But yeah, she honestly did such a good job. I'm surprised how good it turned out. It costed 60 euros, so that's like pretty much what I pay in Edmonton, $100. But yeah, I love it. It looks so good. This is the end of vlog number 2 of my second week here in Spain, and I just want to say thank you again for all the support. And it's been, you know, a lot of mixed emotions, but a lot of positive emotions, and that's the reason why I'm doing this in the first place. So thank you guys for watching this vlog, and I'll see you at the next one because there's going to be a lot more content to come. Bye!